Hello everyone. So Cheers Lifestyle Exhibition is back for 2 days, 8th and 9th of Feb at
Akuto Bhai Gallery, and we have a 2-day show. We have free entry, shop number 5, Akuto Bhai Gallery. What all we have in collection?
Yes.
Yeah, we have NRI wedding collection, we have lifestyle collection, we also have western wear, we have kids collection, and also something related to you know, chocolate day, or maybe if you want something to gift to your loved ones.
Yes.
Like silver jewelry or something for chocolates, we do have that also.
Perfect. So it's a perfect curation for wedding season as well as the new festivities. जैसे Valentine week चल रहा है. So we have that. So please visit. 2 days free entry. Swipe left to check out the collection.
Exercise, free size.
Exercise free size 2-piece sets, and these are all western wear. So yes, we have something for plus sizes. What's the price range?
This is between 1,000.
1,000. Oh, nice.
This is baggy shirt. This is linen. Then we have office stuff also. This.
Cute.
Then this.
Nice.
This. And something like this. And even above also you can take.
So these are all the tops and dresses. Similarly, we have another brand for jewelry. Purchase for 5,000, you'll get a silver coin. These are all the jewelry that you can purchase. Bags in the range of 200 to 400. इनके पास पोटलीज है. Then we have slings. We have crop tops, shirts, lot of pants designs, 40 colors available. And फिर ऐसे माल मसलिन में भी है. Then these are some dresses and tops. So इसमें आपको wedding collection मिल जाएगा. And then we have these capes that you can wear. And then blouses and few pieces. Anarkali, suits. Chocolate day is coming, and if you want something homemade to gift your loved ones, then you can come down here. They have homemade chocolates. Boxes भी मिल जाएंगे. Then we have brownies, and these are some cheesecake jars. 180.
Yes.
This is only for 180. Brownie is for
60 rupees.
60 rupees, and that's their brand name. You can call them up for orders, and you can come down here to try it out. Then we have silver jewelry section again for gifting. So यहाँ पे चेन्स ले सकते हैं, पेंडेंट सेट्स, इयररिंग्स, रिंग्स. So really cute brand called Glamour Grips, and they have beautiful straps and slings like what she's wearing. That's the strap, and a nice phone sling. They also have bags. I will show you the bags they have. Very cute. Very cute. Then we have wedding collection. These are all wedding pieces. Then we have jewelry. We have Hasli. We have chokers. Then another jewelry brand. Monzonite collection. Dresses for 499. So we have some spaghetti dresses. Then we have pants also, and then tops for 299. सारे tops available हैं. We have it in net. These are again some tops, plazos. Perfect. 3 tops for 999. So these are the different types of party tops that you can wear. देखो ऐसे में. Then these are for 150. So pick any for 150. Look at that. Then we have 4 tops in this section for 999 again. And the best is 3 chiffon dresses for 999. Sorry, dresses हैं. So yes, this is one section. Then we have healthy snacks with all millets, no wheat and no palm oil. That's the brand name. They have khakras, chevra, mamra, this bhakri, and these are also knots for. So we have some Lucknowi collection as well. Pura Lucknowi aayega. Then here we have some nice quad sets, all whites में. These are some very pretty quad sets. इसके अलावा we have chanias, long dresses, very cute collection. Then we have kids wear also. So these are some kids wear which you can wear full sets में. With jackets. So we have some wedding collection also. Still, if you want to purchase some heavy pieces, then we have
in shararas with skirt, pure dola silk handwork with banarasi dupatta, pure crepe silk handwork. तो कॉटन्स में चाहिए तो कॉटन्स प्योर मोर कॉटन विद पॉकेट्स, 2 साइड पॉकेट्स.
pretty color.
इसके अलावा भी काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे आपको 2 पीस 3 पीस सूट्स में.
Cottons
मिरर
में.
वर्क प्लेन में चाहिए, प्लेन में भी है और साइज स्टिल 46 अवेलेबल रहेगा.
All right, perfect. And then we have of course jewelry band. Some wedding jewelry. ये वाला